Can you tell if an image was made by a human or a machine? Here's a scanner that checks. I built this to combine 3 independent signals. Clip embeddings that compare semantic fingerprints, DCT frequency analysis that catches the spectral artifacts JN and diffusion models leave behind, and a pre-trained HuggingFace classifier as a third vote. No single method is reliable alone. The ensemble is what makes the difference. This project was produced by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed, which handled architecture, code generation, and testing end-to-end. To run it locally, clone the repo, install dependencies with pip, then point the script at any image file. It returns a verdict and per method confidence score so you can see exactly which signal fired. Repo is linked below. If you want to dig into the frequency analysis or swap in a different classifier, the code is structured to make that straightforward. Find me on GitHub as Ritik Patel.